sweets, haven't you having a great start of the week? It is morning where I come from, so that's why I have my coffee here at my side. And for today's video, I'm gonna do my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. So my Boxycharm brought me for this month, and I'm really liking it so far, but I haven't tried anything. It's just what they pick to send for this month box. First of all, I was looking forward to use this brand. This is called Farmacy. It is a clean brand. This is the Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This smooth and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Farmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with natural derivatives, whatever, ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, which I don't know what that is, aloe vera, and licorice root. Well, 90% of the ingredients I know what they are, except for the calendula, which I don't have a clue of what that could be. It is made in Korea, and the packaging is really clean, so I like that as well. We're gonna start with this. I'm gonna take my hair out of the way for the time being. It says to apply it in wet skin and massage on face in circular motions. Rinse with warm water, use morning and night. I have wet my face, and now we are gonna start with this. It is has a little bit of thickness. The formula took around kind of a dime size amount. Applying it in circular motions as the instruction says. I'm trying to pinpoint the smell, and I know that I have smelled it in some other place, but I really can't remember where. But at least it's not overwhelming. It's to be removed with warm water, so I soak this paper towel in warm water and I'm taking it off. So far it has been really easy, nothing major, and really give you the sensation that you have a clean face, really fresh, and the scent, it doesn't linger much, and my face doesn't feel like tightened. It's just, I don't know, a clean face without the tightness that usually comes. Now I'm gonna apply the rest of the stuff that I would normally apply in my morning routine, and then I'm gonna come back because I have a new primer that came with my Boxycharm to show you guys which it is. The next product that I got in my Boxycharm is this one. This is from Touching Soul, no Poreblem primer. This create a seamless canvas for your foundation. With your new Touching Soul No Poreblem primer, the light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup and many hours of flawlessness. It comes with a cap and a pump. It have a thick texture. Let's just apply this to the face. It has a kind of a really light floral scent to it. It does have that silky, silicone texture, but it feels really, really nice. Let me just check it out, and it mattifies a little bit the skin, because when I first applied it, I was shining all over the place, and now my skin looks a little bit mattified, and so far I can say that it blurs a little bit the pores. Now I'm gonna breathe through everything that I apply in my skin, and then we're gonna come back because I have a product that I use for my complexion that I will show you as soon as I'm in that step. of the other product that I got that I can use in my complexion. This is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmery Swam highlighter. This allows your skin to capture the light of any room you walk in with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Thank God, it's kind of the usual shades that I go for. I could either use this champagne shade or the more rose gold champagne shade. And I'm gonna go first for the high point of my face, my cheek. And so far, it's really looking nice. In the initial part of my bridge, in the flat area of my nose. Now in my Cupid's bow, it is really, really noticeable. A little more than what I usually go for. So I will try to blend it into my blush. Really nice. The shade, I like it. It doesn't emphasize much, but it is a highlighter. What they normally do is emphasize something. That's why you are applying it in the high points of your face, because you want to emphasize that features of your face. But as in texture, I don't have a lot of texture in my cheeks. It doesn't emphasize much, but remember, if you have a lot of texture in those areas, you shouldn't be applying a powder highlighter. You should go for a cream one that it wouldn't do what the powder ones does. I'm gonna set everything now. I'm gonna do my eyes, and when I have another product that I could use for the rest of my makeup, we will come back and I will show it to you. I have done almost my entire eyes, and we're missing mascara and the lips. And for mascara, that's why I stopped there, because for this Boxycharm, I was sent this from Too Faced. This is better than Sex Mascara. It says to indulge in a mascara that actually live up to its name. Too Faced better than Sex Mascara separates coats and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while firm forming polymers lock your lashes in perfect curl. I use this mascara quite often, so I have this little sample. So I'm going to use the sample because if I open this one, it's going to be spoiled in around 3 months. Let's just finish up the one that I haven't had. It's the same one. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then we are going to apply the mascara. I always curl my lashes before applying mascara, so this isn't a special treatment for this mascara in particular. This one is the same as the bigger one, so everything is going to be exactly the same except for the length of the handle. I'm not gonna apply lashes, so I'm going to take my time to make sure that my lashes are as perfect as I like them to be. I'm going for a second layer. And everything that it claims to do, actually it does. It volumes, it separates. In my opinion, this is a great mascara if you want to indulge buying this one, because she isn't a cheap mascara. She's up into the 20 something. I'm gonna do my bottom part. And a last and third layer of this in my lashes. One of the other benefits of this mascara is that it doesn't clump. You can keep on building and building and putting layers to your lashes, and they won't look bad. This is how my lashes look at this point. Now I haven't applied any highlighter in my inner corner, either in my brow bone. So I'm gonna use the same one that I got in my Boxycharm. It's the one that I apply in my entire face. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmery Swam. To apply it in my inner corner, I'm going to extend it toward my bottom lashes and doing the same thing in my top part. A little bit in my brow bone, exactly in the arch. And last but not least, I'm gonna use this Trestique Prime Plus Glaze Lip Crayon. 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxury lip smoothing primer on one side, this side, shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooth lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortless glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft shiny color. This is the color, and this is how it looks. I kind of like this berry shade. This is the priming side. It has a really light pink color to it. I have to be honest, I have other products that they claim to be balms. They are a lot more buttery and smooth in your lips and more creamy than this one. This still feels really hard, and it doesn't have that texture. Maybe it is the priming function that is supposed to do as well. It says that it was a pop of color, but to be honest, I thought that it would have a lot more color. You can build it. This will help people that aren't into really intense shades and don't have to feel intimidated by the product. So sweets, this is it. This is the final look. I liked my Boxycharm for the month of February. I enjoyed each and every product that I got, and I was really in the need of having a new cleanser. For sure, I'm gonna use the Clean Bee from Farmacy, no Poreblem primer. I will have to use it in conjunction with some other products, because if I'm going to be honest, I didn't like how my foundation looks today, but I have to give it another shot because it was the first time that I tried the foundation. Probably it was the foundation fault. It wasn't this one, because foundation doesn't have a good review and this one has an awesome review. But when I applied it to my complexion, I enjoy the feeling of it. Another thing that I like is when I finish up my entire makeup, I didn't feel like I had any makeup in my face, which I'm going to attribute that to this primer. The other product, it was this pretty Vulgar shimmering highlight that I got. I really like how my skin looks. I like the finish of it and also the color of this one. And I have tried other products from Pretty Vulgar. I haven't had a bad experience with them. So I know for sure that this one, I'm gonna keep on using it and I won't regret it. The mascara, and I've used it already because I already have it. And I know that she is a really awesome product. So I was more than happy because now I have a refill. And last but not least, the Trestique. I'm in the fence with the Balm, but I really like the shade and I was trying to start using balms instead of regular lipsticks because I have been having chapstick for I don't know how long. The balm thing is gonna help them be hydrated more than using a regular bullet lipstick or any kind of lipstick. So sweets, I hope you like it, and if you did, press the like button. Remember that part is really important to help me be exposed, and second of it, to let me know if you like the content that I bring. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I hope to see you in the next one.